Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Action Learning. If you are first time viewer on my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update from Fusion Action Learning. In today's demonstration, we are going to cover one more business challenges like IT admin in a Fusion wants to monitor real-time OTBI performance as well as the error and the usage, how they can monitor in Oracle Fusion. I will share the sample dashboard catalogs, which you have to unarchive within the custom folder, and you can utilize the sample dashboard to your business as well. And if there is a further change required, you can change all those dashboards based on the business requirement. Now, to add, you have to go to the navigator. Within the navigator, you have to go to the tools. Once you reach to the tools, you have to go to the reports and analytics. Once you click on reports and analytics, you have to click on browse catalog. Once you click on the browse catalog, what you have to do, you have to go to the shared folder and then you have to go to the custom. Once you reach to the custom folder, what you have to do, you have to click on unarchive. Once you click on that, it will prompt you to select or browse the catalog. You have to click on browse, and then wherever you downloaded the catalogs, you have to just unarchive to the custom folder. So first you have to select underscore filters OTBI uses, click on open and then click on OK. Second one, the same step you have to follow. You have to unarchive and then browse, and then you have to click on OTBI uses dashboard and you have to click on open and click on OK. Once you're done with these steps, what you have to do, you have to expand the custom folder and then you have to navigate to your OTBI uses area. So we'll scroll. Now you can see that OTBI uses dashboards. You have to click on OTBI uses dashboards. You can see that it's downloaded all the analytics within the OTBI uses dashboards folder. Now you have to expand and click on open. Once the moment you click on open, it will open the dashboards where the IT admin can monitor in a real time the users count, the user count, execution count, subject area count, and then there will be the lot of things are available. So Q3, Q2, Q1, and then the year, and they can apply and they can do the filter. And then report execution count, and then you can see that the users and the analysis. And then they can click on OTBI report performance as well. So they can monitor the performance. If there is any error, anything, they can monitor all those OTBI related report performance. Now the subject area uses, they can also monitor within the Fusion that what will be the usage in respect of the subject areas, and then user usage trend, how user frequently using the OTBI. So you can see that all username coming from the drop down, and you can see that there will be the graph, and there are a couple of filters available. So based on the path, based on username, they can filter it out, and there will be a OTBI reports error. So once the OTBI you develop or user has created, if there is any error, they can monitor in a real time. So this is very interesting feature and new feature which you can use in your business and monitor how your user is performing in day-to-day activity, and you can monitor it out. So this is how you can achieve this kind of requirement in Oracle Fusion. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.